Hi guys, Oma Vanjirax here and welcome to my channel. That way. And I heard from Mylene that one of the questions that she was asked a few times already was her choice of not having a child. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oma Vanjirax here. For today's video, I have a very special guest. She's very close to my heart. She's one of my favorites. This is Mylene.
Hi guys! Ano naman tawag mo, Oma?
Oma Vanjirax here. She calls me Ate. She's one of those who's calling me Ate V. So we are here in Rotterdam. Okay, actually, right now, we would like to give credit to this special place that allowed us to do our conversation for today. We are here at VIP. Very important pizza. VIP here in Rotterdam. So we had ramen for lunch, and then we do a little recording. Just for a simple reel, one of the newest songs that we just recorded, just for ourselves.
Me time.
Me time. Just, you know, when we look back after 6 years or 7 years, then we will just be laughing at what we did today.
Yes.
And then we decided that we are going to do this casual conversation and we want to share this conversation with you. So just for background, Mylene is married to also Dutch guy. So we are both Filipinas married to Dutchmen.
Yes.
How long have you been married, Mylene?
15 years.
15. More than 15 years. Mylene and I met because we are both Filipina Zumba instructors. That's the commonality in this friendship.
Yeah, you messaged me first.
Yeah.
Diba?
Mylene. And then,
siya yung pangmasa.
Parang siya yung mayora.
Yeah.
Let's call it mayora that way. Instagram post ni Mylene, sabi ko, ang gaganda naman ang pictures nito. And then I message her, sabi ko, mag-meet tayo. So, kailan tayo mag-meet? And then the first time we met was in Den Haag, in The Hague.
And I traveled 2 hours. 2 hours by train.
Just, you know, to dance. On the street of The Hague.
Yeah.
So that was it. And then the rest is history. We became friends. We have been to many events together. We organized charity events together. Yeah. Hosted by Maan. And then, on a regular basis, we were invited to do Zumba demo sa Philippine Independence Day. Si Mylene din ay isa sa mga guest instructors din sa aming fundraising sa ating Pink Ribbon.
Oh, yeah.
Sa Pink Ribbon, where I hosted. Very supportive nung sa Zumba workshop. Dami niya parating binibigay ng mga customers. And then sa The Hague, sa Scheveningen, she and Kim were my reliable assistants during the event. So, yun. Dami na natin pinagsabahan, Mylene.
Oh.
No? Yun. Okay, now, Mylene, while we were walking from our recording somewhere, one topic came out of our conversation wherein some Filipinos sometimes are asking us some questions that are not, we consider it a little bit sensitive. Let's call it that way. And I heard from Mylene that one of the questions that she was asked a few times already was her choice of not having a child. And just recently, for whatever reason, I have seen few interviews or few vlogs about single women having their choice of not having a child. Ask Mylene, so how do you respond? When people ask you, Mylene, among the Filipinos, I know you're the only one who has no child.
Yes.
And is it your choice? Is it your husband's choice? And she was bombarded with questions like this. And my question to Mylene is, or how did you respond?
Sabi ko, happy na ako. At saka, kontento na sa buhay. Kasi sabi ng iba, maging more happy ka daw. Sabi ko nga, meron bang ganun?
hindi ba ikaw magiging masaya kung choice mo na kayo lang mag-asawang maging masaya at hindi niyo nararamdaman na kulang ang inyong pagsasama kung wala kayong anak? Parang yun ang gustong sabihin ni Mylene.
Pero sabi ko, happy na kami, tsaka hindi naman kami nag-crave.
Yeah.
Magkaanak.
Kontento raw sila.
Kontento na kami. At saka, choice din namin yun. Ayaw ko lang ng mga taong sasabi sa akin, hindi ka kompleto kasi wala kang anak.
Oh, okay.
It's unfair naman yun sa ibang tao.
Parang unfair nga naman.
Parang hindi pwedeng magkaanak.
Oo, di ba?
Walang nagsasabing hindi ka kompleto kasi wala kang anak.
Yeah, and I think magandang pag-usapan na dapat lagyan naman natin din ng boundaries. I-respeto natin ang mga bagay na choice ng isang tao o choice nilang mag-asawa. Ibigay natin sa kanila yan at huwag natin sigurong sabihin na, selfish kayo eh. Kasi mayroon din akong napanood ng mga videos recently na dinedepende ng mga single women ang sarili nila because they were being accused of being selfish daw. Choice nila yun eh.
Ate, yung hindi ka kompletong babae kasi wala kang anak.
Noon, meron pa rin daw naririnig. At saka meron daw nagko-comment na hindi kompleto ang pagiging babae mo dahil wala kang anak. Dahil kompleto ka. You are enough.
Kompleto ako.
As you are enough. At masaya.
Masaya ako.
Diba?
Ini-enjoy ko yung life. Cheers.
Ang purpose actually ng aming conversation na ito, gusto namin i-share sa inyo ni Mylene na dapat siguro bigyan natin ng boundaries.
At saka respeto. Pag mga private, sana, huwag magtanong. Huwag magbigay ng advice kung hindi naman nagtatanong na tayo.
Medyo profound topic ang aming pinag-usapan ni Mylene ngayon. So, babawan naman natin. Ladies, thank you Mylene ha. At pumayag ka, i-discuss natin dito.
First time.
Sabi nga niya, ayoko ate, hindi ako nagsasalita sa harap ng camera. So, pero tingnan niya, shinare niya, kasi sabi ko, Mylene, pag-usapan natin, magandang pag-usapan eh. Kasi marami din mga followers din tayo. Akala nila, mag-isa lang sila, pero huwag kayo mag-alala, marami pala kayo, and we are supporting you. We are supporting you. We're here to support you kung ano yung choice nyo. At i-respeto natin yan, at magka-campaign tayo para i-respeto kayo ng lahat. Magkano lang ba pala yung membership natin ngayon? $38, no?
Yeah.
$38.
Ang mahal na.
So, guys,
may tax pa yun, no?
kung akala ninyo, ang walang puhunan ng pagiging Zumba instructress, business din to, guys. Kaya yung mga nagtatanong, mayroon bang business na walang puhunan? Wala po. Hindi, it doesn't exist. Ang pag sinabing negosyante ka, namumuhunan ka. Walang negosyo na...
At saka dito, you have to pay tax.
Dito, nagbabayad din kami ng taxes.
We're paying tax. At the same time, we're paying monthly membership.
Yeah. Yun, kasama yun sa cost ng pagiging instructress natin. Ngayon, actually si Mylene, pumasok na rin siya sa Circle of Fabulous 50. Hindi siya mukhang 50, diba guys? Kita niyo na mukhang 30. Sabi ko nga, so unfair. So unfair.
Kasi wala kang white hair.
Oo, at ako naman, tingnan niyo to. Choice ko rin. Huwag kayong mag-message sa akin na sabihin niyo magpakulay ako dahil ito ay choice. She just turned 50. So, kanina pinag-usapan namin, now na 50 na tayo, na ikaw, Mylene, at ako naman ay mag-59. Are there things that you don't buy anymore? Are there things that you don't do anymore? Now na ikaw ay 50? O, ganun ka pa rin? May nagbago ba?
Meron, bags.
Ano na ang hindi na ano?
Ang hindi gaano yung bags nga. Wala, clothes pa rin. At saka shoes. Tsaka,
Investment. Nasa investment. Nandun na daw siya sa stage na lahat na ngayon ng mga binibili niya ay investment na. Ako, ano ba nabago sa akin? Hindi na rin ako bumibili ng bags.
oh, talaga siya ka.
Hindi na, bebenta na nga ako.
Ako din. Gusto mo yung bag.
Huwag pa live selling kaya kayo dito. Bigla naging live selling yung vlog namin ni Mylene.
Kapag ayaw ko minsan, binibigay ko na sa family.
Ayan. O, diba? Swerte. Ikaw pala din ay, tita.
Yes.
Yeah, kasi may mga pamangkin din.
Okay. Kaya,
So, para ka na rin, ma'am.
Parang ganun.
na you care for your nieces and nephews, pero yung responsibility sa mga parents nila,
Yes.
the fun part kanya.
Ganun ang ano namin, travels. Kasi habang kaya pa ng mga tuhod,
Okay.
kasi nasa 50s na kami.
Oo, no?
So,
pero grabe pa rin yung energy natin, Mylene.
Yes.
Congratulations to us.
Actually, guys, kung kaya nyong mag-save ng mana, kaya mag-travel,
Travel now.
travel now.
Oo.
Kasi pag hinintay nyo pa yung pension, wala na, hindi na masyado.
May enjoy.
May enjoy. Kasi nandun na yung takot.
Saka, syempre, maraming limitations kapag nagka-edad na. So, yun ang maipapayo namin sa inyo. I hope dito sa short conversation namin ni Mylene ay meron kaming nai-impart sa inyo na the lessons now na 50s na. Ito yung mga iniisip na pala ng mga women in their 50s.
Yes. Kalma lang. Enjoy. Protect your mental health. Importante yun.
Yes, protect your mental health. Respeto natin ang boundaries. Protect your own boundaries.
At saka, respect din sa mga individual na at lalo sa hindi mo kakilala.
Okay, so yes, Mylene, thank you so much.
Tapos na.
Ito, ayaw pa niyang hintuan. Sige, tanungin pa natin si Mylene.
Okay na yun.
Okay na yun. Ay, thank you so much.
Cheers.
Enjoy namin ang
Toast.
drinks. Toast. And
Chin-chin.
chin-chin. I hope that we have, again, imparted some value into this short vlog of ours, short conversation. And if you like and you want to follow us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and you will be notified when the next upload is available. God bless everyone. Thanks for watching.
Ciao.
Bye!